Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD part modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial I will explain you how to model this part in FreeCAD, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. So let's start our tutorial. I will close this file and I will create a new file. Before starting the tutorial, if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on ko-fi.com. For more information, visit the link given in a video descriptions, or you can visit ko-fi.com/macnexus from your web browser. And at the same time, I would request you to please like, subscribe and share my video. Your small support will help this channels to grow. So here I have created a new file, and I will insert a body, and I will create a sketch, and I will select this XY plane, and I will draw a rectangle, and I will use symmetric constraint, and I will select this point and center point, and our rectangle is symmetric. Now we will give dimension constraint. From our 2D drawing it is 30 and 15, so I will give dimension 30 and vertical dimension 15. And I will give pad, and here height is 2 mm. So and I will say OK. And now we have made our base plate. Now we will make this plate here and this one. So I will select this YZ plane, and I will say sketch, and I will convert this edge, and I will draw a line, I will switch to the isometric. Now I will draw a circle which of diameter 4, so I will select this one, and I will say diameter 4. Now I will check this origin point and my circle point. I will give vertical constraint, so here some conflict, so I will delete it. I will go to the isometric. Now I will draw a line from here to here, and I will make it tangent, and I will trim the unnecessary geometry, so I will trim it. And if you see here, height is given 12 mm, so I will select this one to this. I will give 12 mm, and I will close it. And here our thickness is 2 mm given, so we will give pad, and here we will select symmetric to the plane 2 mm. It's OK. Now we will select our origin and press the space bar, and now I will again on my plane, and I will create a sketch. Now I will convert it, and I will draw Now I will draw one more circle, which is the outer is 4, inner is 3. Inner is 3. Now we will extrude it. So here we will use 2 dimension. So from this side is 0.5 plus center 1 mm, 1.5 and 3. So this side is 1.5 and this one would be 3. And we will say OK. Okay, so we have made this feature, and now we will make this bracket here. So for that I will select this face and I say sketch, and I will convert it, and then I will do same here. I will draw a circle. I will make vertical, and here is outer diameter is 6, so I will select this circle and give diameter 6, and I will make it tangent. And center is 12, so I will select this one and this one. I will set 12, I will move dimension outside. So this center is 12, outside is 6, and this tangent. So okay, now I will give pad. So if you see that we are not seeing anything in a browser because it is extruding in a direction where there is no material. So as FreeCAD is very parametric, so if it will not do anything if it has no any link with our existing body. So for that we will select reverse, so you will see the features. Means it is a parametric. If in last time it was extruding in the opposite direction, in this direction, so here thickness is 3 mm, so we will give 3 mm and we'll say okay. And same way we will select this face and say sketch, and we will convert this, and we will merge it. Here is a reduct. Now we will delete it and we will draw again one more circle, inside circle, and its diameter is 3. I will select this and select diameter. I will say 3. So again we have to reverse it, and here we will select 2 dimension. This is 2, sorry, from this side it is 2, plus this center 1.5, 2 plus 1.5, it is 3.5. So this one 3.5. No, we have not a sketch on the mid plane, we have a sketch on the face, so it will be 2 mm, and this one will be 6, and we will say OK, and we will switch to isometric, and now we will draw this stiffener. So we will press the space bar, we will select our XZ plane, we will say sketch, and here we will convert this edge and this edge, and I will switch to the wireframe. I will select this point and this point. Okay, no problem. I will make it construction. Better to, I will delete it because I do not want up to that line. So here we are seeing some conflict, so we will select on this, we will delete it. Now we will constrain our this triangle, so it is a 6 by, and from edge it is 4, and from here it is 15. So we will select this point, we will not calculate its length, we will give it from here 4 mm, and this height is 6. This height is 6, and we will close it. Now we will give pad, and we will say single dimension, which is 2 mm, 2 mm, and say symmetric to the plane, and say OK. Okay, now we have adapted almost overall shape of our part, and now we will make these 2 holes here. So we will say sketch, so we will draw 2 holes here, one here and one here, and its position is 2 by 2. So I will select this, I will project it, this edge, and this edge, and I will give dimension 2, and 2, and here I will give dimension dia 1. Now I will select this circle and this circle, make it equal. I will select this center point, and this one I will say vertical, and we have to fix it from here only. Okay, now we will close it. And now we will go to the whole feature, and we will give our dimension. So if we see our holes, so it is 2 into 1 through depth and diameter 2 of 0.5 depth. Okay, so our 1 mm hole is through, and here we will go to the counter bore, and here we will say through all, and this is the 2 mm of depth 0.5. Sorry, diameter 2 of depth 0.5 and 1 mm is through, and we will say OK. Now we will give fillet here, which is the R2 size here. I will select this edge and this edge, and I will say fillet, and I will give 2. So here is our part, and we can go to the appearance, and here we can give some cool colors to our part. And we will say close. So this is how we have modeled this part from the scratch in a FreeCAD. And if you like this tutorial, then please support me. You can support me via ko-fi.com. Its link is given in the video descriptions, and you can also support me by like, share and subscribe of my channel. Your kind support will come with will help these channels to grow, and I will come with more useful tutorial on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.